guys, it's Rich with Mowers and Blowers Outdone. Psh, with this special edition. Hey, I have a 2012 Ford Fiesta, and the shocks on my hatch have been unshocketized, right? So, is that a word? Unshocketized, Rich? It is now. Hey, anything can happen on Mowers and Blowers Outdone, because we outdo them. Hey, and anyways, the shocks no longer are working, so they won't hold up the liftgate. So I got this handy dandy pole here that you can do that with, but you're always worried about knocking this out, because if you knock that out, it's going to fall down, crush your little flanges, or crush your skull. So we are going to be replacing these. So I got my order from rockauto.com, and this is what I got, some new shocks for my liftgate. Do you even call it a liftgate? I don't know. So there's the model number. Made in Germany, Pennsylvania, PA, is that right? So anyways, Lift-O-Matic, and however you say that, Stabilus. It's fabulous, Stabilus. Original equipment manufactured. So this is what we got. Let's go investigate and see how to take these things off. So this is an easy job, and what you can do, they're not even screwed on or anything. Take a screwdriver, pop this off, these two caps up here, the top and the bottom, and the shock will come right off. Make sure you have something holding it up when you do that. So get yourself a screwdriver, and you're just going to pop this ring off. Pretty easy to do. Just like that, and it'll start coming off. Let's do the top. There we go. So alright, so right here is your new one. So right here's your clip, and you can see it pinches together right there. So it is going to pinch onto the ball right here. So you're just going to loosen that up, slide that on, put that right on there. Alright, so just take the screwdriver, pull that up a little bit. Now if you pull that all the way off, it's going to be a little bit tougher to spread that apart and to get it in there. So let's just go ahead and try it like this. Put that down in there, push that on there, and clip it back on there. We'll do the top one. Same way. Don't know if we can get the camera up there, but we will get the top one. So we got the top one up there. Push that on. Push that clip on. Alright. So one thing you really don't want to do, don't open and shut it with just one shock on there. So make sure you change both of them out when you do that. And then we have the kitty cat. Hey baby. Always in my videos, always in my videos. We got the kitty cat. Alright, but you're not going home with me. So now let's take this off here. So the band is on the old one. So one thing I am going to do, I'm going to brace this so that it's not resting on just one shock. Let's go ahead and finish pulling that off. So the band will come right off. That just pulls right off like that. Let's do the bottom one. There we go. So now, if you need to pull that off all the way, it's not going to go back on there. You're going to have to spread these apart. You're going to have to spread that apart to get that back on there. And I'm sure they make like a specialty tool to do that. So on your clip, if you get a pair of these work good. So you can put those in there like that. And you can just stretch that clip out and put it on there. So I don't know if this isn't the right tool, but I'm sure they make some kind of a tool. Alright, let's go ahead and put these back on. These are the new ones. Push that on there. Push that clip in. Just like that. Let's put this on the top. Swing around here a little bit. There we go. It is on there, nice and solid. Can remove this. Let's try them out. Here is your shock replacement. Back to normal. Just like that. Hey guys, this is Rich with Mowers and Blowers OutDone. Hey, thanks for joining me on learning how to quick and easily change out your blown out shocks on your rear hatch on a 2012 Ford Fiesta. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time there's a new video. This is Rich with the special edition. Psh.